Hello, heart seekers and nature lovers. I hope you are all doing well. It is a time of great change for me, and I wanted to tickle you a little bit with some of the changes that are happening here. Those of you who've been with me for a long time, you'll know that the last 18 months has been a lot of transition, a lot of change, and finally hitting rock bottom a few months ago. And then, of course, this beautiful Nista, this feminine nature being, came in and just gently touched me, and things started to shift. You know, Pachamama always helps me to release whatever is blocking me and releasing any angst I might be carrying. It's so beautiful when I'm going through it, no matter how much, you know, grieving or loss or challenge I might be feeling. I know I'm being held by her. So no matter how challenging it is, it's always so beautiful at the same time. And it's why I want to share with so many people about what I do, because in times of change like this medicine can really support you, can really support us. But anyway, after I hit rock bottom, I realized, oh yes, I'm an initiation. And that seemed to open doors of awareness and help me to go forward. And then all of a sudden things started to change. Like I say, a Nusta appeared. It's a new Nusta that I don't know, a new feminine nature being. Yes, I'm going to do a video or a blog on it specifically because it was really profound. But I just, something started to move, and I can feel like I've come through the birth canal and there's light and I can see. And in all of this, I signed up to do a business model training, and thinking I was just going to tidy some things up. Want to make God laugh, tell him your plans. And actually what's happened is I completely cleared the slate. And in this process of designing the business that was uniquely me, I ended up designing me uniquely for my business. So there's been a lot of change, and basically I've restructured my business. And so the next few weeks, I'm going to be putting this into place. And so I wanted to just forewarn all of you, there's a lot of construction going on inside of me and inside Miskayani. The name might change, that might stay the same. I don't know. I'm just listening, and I'm just being guided, and listening to offerings. What wants to show itself, what wants to be in a workshop, what doesn't, what do I need to put down, what doesn't work for me anymore. I've been getting a lot of feedback from my older students, my Paco students. Thank you so much. But also, I want to open the floor. If you are new or new to this channel or getting to know me at Miskayani Medicine, please will you put a note below, or send me an email, or send me a note through Instagram. Let me know what it is you're curious about. What would you like support with? What do you want to know more about when it comes to Andean medicine, when it comes to engaging with nature, when it comes to being very human, with one foot in the world of nature and the other foot in the modern civilized world that we are living through, that's going through a lot of change. Yeah, please send me your feedback. I would love to know, so that, you know, either I'll create videos from it or blogs for you, or I'll put it into a workshop so that you can develop whatever quality you're looking for. So just a little teaser, I will be in touch very soon, sharing with you the changes that are coming, beautiful ways to go forward for people who are new to this medicine, new to this path, want to get their feet wet, not sure where to start, or feel overwhelmed. You know, there is a lot of really beautiful ways that are opening up to welcome you into the world of nature and this Andean medicine. So like and subscribe if you want to stay in touch. Yes, if you're curious and you want to know what's coming, let me know your comments and we will be in touch again soon. Lots of love. Ciao for now.